In this video, we're going to be taking a look at creating a soda tab opener keychain. And this time, we're going to be using our new negative Boolean operator that has not only the slot for the soda tab, but also this little piece that allows the can opener to lay flat. So it has a little slot that allows the can opener to lay flat. And you'll see this here in a moment once we get it all together here. So let's go ahead and import an SVG file to work with. So we'll go ahead and hit Control I here. And we have go to our desktop here. And there is our keychain opener. So we're going to start by making it 6mm thick. And then we're going to go ahead and change its color to 4 because it's going to be black. And then these other two items are going to be white. And they are going to be 2mm thick for the time being. And let's put those at 6.5 in the Z direction here. And then we'll look at things a little bit closer here. We're going to alt-click border. And you see how it's kind of inside just a little bit? Well, what we're going to do is lower that even more by 6. And now it's kind of half and half. Half in, half out. And that's what we want. So on this one, we only want that to be a 0.5 millimeter thick. Or 1 millimeter, actually. But then it's going to sit at 6 as well. But then you can see when we set that at 6, it's also a half and half, okay? Half in, half out, and that's kind of what we want. So let's go ahead and add our key tag. So I'm going to hit Control I, go to my desktop, and type in key tag. And then there's my key tag. Import the geometry only. Grab our Move tool, and we're going to slide this out a little bit, but only as far enough so our jump ring will fit. So now you can see that's plenty big for our jump ring. Probably don't even need to be out that far, honestly. So we'll go back to our Move tool. Slide it in a little bit. Okay, that's probably enough. And now we'll add our can opener piece. So we'll go ahead and hit Control I. Now the new can opener piece is called Soda Tab. So there it is. Import the geometry only. And we're going to slide that out till it just barely peeks out here. Barely peeks out. See, it's barely peeking out. So now we can go ahead and select that, hold our Control key down, select our bigger piece, go to our Mesh Boolean tool, and you can see there we have our assembly is green. Go choose Execute, and now we have our slot for our soda tab, but also we have this little slot where it's going to sit at the edge of our can. Okay, so that's going to sit right at the edge of our can, and then that will become our new can opener. Now, we will go ahead and go in here and reset these colors to 2. And now we are officially ready to print. So the new can opener piece is available on our Patreon for free download. And the link to our Patreon is in the video description below. So until next time, thanks for watching.